The first one is a creative productivity app that turns your typed text into realistic, natural-looking handwritten pages in seconds. Perfect for school assignments, notes, or reports without doing the writing yourself. You simply open the app, paste or type your text, choose your handwriting style, ink color, size, and spacing, and the app generates pages that look genuinely handwritten with imperfections and flow. You can also customize paper styles such as ruled or margin sheets, add textures or warp effects, insert diagrams or graphs, and export your work as a PDF or images ready to print or share. It works fully offline, so you don't need a data connection to generate pages. It's especially useful if you want quick, believable handwriting without spending hours with a pen. This is a beautiful and lightweight Android video player with a clean material design interface and iOS-like glass effect aesthetics. It focuses on simplicity, smooth playback, and an ad-free experience. When you open the app, it automatically scans your device for video files and organizes them in a minimal, easy-to-navigate layout. Just tap any video to start playing instantly. It supports all common video formats and includes essential features, including a built-in secure vault for your personal videos. What I really like about this app is how clean and distraction-free the interface feels. There are no unnecessary tabs or complicated menus, which makes it a great alternative to VLC media player. Next is a fun retro-themed music player that brings classic 8-bit vibes to your music. It features pixel art visuals, chiptune style UI elements, and nostalgic animations while your tracks play. The app runs smoothly, supports playlists, has an equalizer, and keeps everything simple and lightweight. If you love retro aesthetics and want a clean music player without extra clutter, 8-bit player is definitely worth checking out. The next one is a lightweight open source app that scans all the apps installed on your phone and tells you which ones are proprietary or closed source. Then it suggests free and open source alternatives you can try instead. Just tap on any app to see a list of community recommended replacements. Since the app is still in its early stages, you may not find alternatives for every app yet, but as the community grows, the database continues to expand. If you prefer privacy-friendly open-source apps, this one is definitely worth trying. This is a simple Android tool that lets you rename multiple files at once instead of doing it one by one. Just select a folder or files, choose the rename rule, and the app updates everything in seconds. You can add prefixes or suffixes, replace specific words, or automatically number files in sequence. It also lets you change file extensions or modify specific characters in file names across an entire folder. The app is lightweight, free to use, and saves a lot of time if you often deal with hundreds or thousands of files. The next one is an essential productivity app designed to help you stop mindless scrolling on short video platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Instead of just tracking your screen time, it actually counts how many short videos you watch and lets you set a daily limit. For example, 20 or 50 videos a day. Once you reach that limit, the app automatically blocks the scrolling feed, helping you avoid endless doom scrolling without relying on willpower. It also shows detailed stats, so you can see exactly how many short videos you watch each day and better understand your habits. If you want help cutting down on doom scrolling, this app is a must-try. The next one is a smart AI-powered voice keyboard that lets you write messages, emails, and documents just by speaking instead of typing. After installing the app, set it as your keyboard, tap the microphone button, and start talking. The app is so smart that it doesn't just transcribe your words, it removes filler sounds, fixes repetition, and automatically formats sentences so they read naturally. It works with most apps on your phone, including WhatsApp, Gmail, note-taking, and document apps. It also supports more than 100 languages and can translate speech in real time, which makes it useful for both communication and productivity. It focuses on privacy by storing history on your device and not retaining dictation data. Next, we have a fun augmented reality drawing app that helps you trace and create accurate artwork using your phone's camera. The app overlays an image from your gallery onto your canvas, so you can see both the reference image and your paper at the same time. This makes it easier to match proportions and details. You simply place your phone on a stand above your canvas, adjust the image's transparency and size, and start tracing. It's a handy tool for beginners and professionals. This is for you if you often install apps from GitHub. It's an ad-free app store that lets you discover and install apps directly from GitHub releases. Almost like a Play Store for open source GitHub projects. When you open the app, it shows sections such as trending, recently updated, and featured projects to help you quickly find interesting apps. You can also log into your GitHub account and manually search for any app. Each app page includes release notes, screenshots, developer info, and GitHub statistics, so you can understand the project before installing it. You can install APKs directly from the latest GitHub release with a single tap. Repo Store also tracks installed apps and notifies you when updates are available. If you love discovering new open-source Android apps from GitHub, get this one. Network Scanner is a free open-source Android app that helps you discover every device connected to your Wi-Fi network. Just open the app and start a scan to see all devices on your network instantly. It shows useful details like IP address, MAC address, hostname, and device type for each connected device. The app can also scan open ports, helping you identify running services on devices in your network. This is useful for network troubleshooting or detecting unknown devices connected to your Wi-Fi. Everything runs locally on your phone with no ads and no tracking. The next app is a lightweight Android video player, designed especially for people who watch movies with subtitles. Its standout feature is dual subtitle support, which lets you display two subtitles at once. This is perfect for language learning because you can watch in your native language and the target language simultaneously. You can customize each subtitle individually by adjusting its position, color, size, and sync timing. The app also lets you search and download subtitles directly from Open Subtitles inside the player. It supports common video formats, gesture controls, Chromecast streaming, and resume playback. If you want a simple video player that makes watching movies and learning languages easier, DS Player is definitely worth checking out. I usually don't feature games in top apps videos, but I had to make an exception for this stunning game. Silt is a dark, atmospheric underwater puzzle adventure game where you explore a mysterious ocean abyss as a lone diver. The game's unique mechanic lets you possess sea creatures and use their abilities to solve environmental puzzles. As you dive deeper, you'll encounter strange marine life, ancient ruins, and eerie underwater machinery hidden in the darkness. The entire world is designed in a haunting, hand-drawn monochrome art style that feels similar to games like Limbo. You'll also face massive deep-sea creatures called Goliaths, where survival depends on strategy and puzzle solving. The game is free to download, and you can try the first part before unlocking the full adventure. If you enjoy mysterious puzzle games with a strong atmosphere, give it a go. And finally, we have a powerful free VPN app that secures your internet connection and protects your privacy with just one tap. Simply open the app and hit the big connect button to start a protected session instantly. The free plan includes up to 10 gigabytes of encrypted data every month and access to servers in around 10 countries. It also offers useful features such as split tunneling, so you can choose which apps use the VPN, and network whitelisting to automatically enable or disable it on specific Wi-Fi networks. The service follows a strict no-logs policy and supports secure protocols like OpenVPN for strong protection. If you're looking for a reliable free VPN for Android, this one is a must-try. And that's my list of the best Android apps to try in April 2026. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, let me know your favorite app in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more top Android apps videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.